Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This is a title, Privacy Enhanced Retrieval Technology for the Cloud-assisted Internet of Things. This is an abstract. In the cloud-assisted Internet of Things, most of the data is sent to the cloud for storage and processing. Data privacy and security are extreme concerns since retrieving data from the cloud will yield privacy disclosure risk due to the cloud openness. To this end, the process proposes that a privacy-enhanced retrieval technology for cloud-assisted IoT. This architecture is designed through an implicit index maintained by edge servers and a hierarchical retrieval model that preserves data privacy by hiding the information of data transmission between the cloud and the edge servers. For the hierarchical retrieval model, we designed the data partition strategy. The edge server stores partial data in the way data privacy is preserved since the attacker must get the data maintained by both cloud and edge servers. The detailed performance analysis and extensive experiments have displayed the effectiveness of technology. For data privacy, it is tested that the architecture can efficiently and securely retrieve the stored data while the computation cost is reduced through operation downsizing. This is a flow diagram. Here we have four categories. First one is data owner, second one is data user, third one is edge server, fourth one is cloud service provider. Okay. First, we should start the process of data owner, and before starting a process of data owner, they should register in this portal. After the registration, they should log into this portal. After the login process, they selected file from the local repository. After selecting the file will be partition. Data partition means the file have which type of content it have a core file or a private file or public file. This will be decided in this data partitioning step. After the data partitioning, the file will be encrypted. Okay. After encrypting the file will be sent to edge server. Edge server here classified into three. Edge server 1, 2 and 3. Okay. And edge server 1 stores as a core file. It's a local files. And edge server 2 stores as a private files. Edge server 3 stores as a public files. If the store file as a public means, the public file will be sent to cloud service provider. Cloud service provider will be create a drop-down keys at the time of file storage. Okay. Now the files are stored into servers. After the storing process, the data user have to get the file from the cloud service provider. Okay. Before they getting the file, they should register in this portal. After the registration, they go into login. After that login process, they should search file in cloud using the drop-down key. If the file is found, they should get the decryption key from the cloud service provider. After getting the decryption key, they can download the file from the cloud service provider. Okay. Now we started a demonstration. Before starting the process, you should run a WAM server. Okay. Now we click to localhost. Yeah, WAM server is started. Now we run our process. Okay. First, we run index.java file. Yeah, this is our home page. Okay. And click to next. Yeah, this is a cloud user login page. If you are a new user, you should register in this portal. Means here we click sign up. Here you should enter your detail. Okay. Now we enter the details of user. Now we click the register button. Yeah, our detail is registered successfully. Click to OK. Now we log in the registered user detail. Okay. Click to login. Here the user have four categories of work. First one is upload file, and second one is file search, and third one is view storage detail, and fifth one is my profile. Okay, view my profile means here we have my profile detail. Here we can update the detail information. Okay, and first we browse the file, click any one file and view that file, select file type. This is each type of file. This is a core file, okay, and click the core and file sent to partitioning. Okay, file sent to the edge server. Okay, waiting for the public key and secret key. Now we run to edge server login. Yeah, this is a edge server login. Now we click to login. Here we receive the request. Yeah, this is a request from the user, and click to the detail and verify that user. Yeah, valid user. Now we partition the file. Yeah, this is the edge server 1. Here we can store that file. Okay, receive that request. This is a request and create a public key and create a secret key. Now we encrypt the file. Yeah, that file is encrypted and send to data owner. Yeah, public key and secret key are sent to data owner. Okay, now we click to data owner means check status. Yeah, file is stored as a local file. Okay, this is a public key and secret key. If you store as a public file means here we browse that file, view that file. Now we select public file and send to file partitioning. Okay, now we click to edge server login. Now we log in into the portal and receive that request. So it's a public file and verify that user partitioning. Yeah, the file is sent to the edge server 3. Okay, now you receive that request. Yeah, it's a public file. You create public key and secret key. Okay, and now we encrypt the file. Yeah, file is encrypted successfully. Okay, now we create a grab door keys. Okay, we enter 3 keys. First one is readme and reference tips. Okay, now we send file to the cloud. Now we log in into cloud means cloud login.java file. Yeah, this is a cloud login page. Click to login and login successfully. Now view the request detail. Here is the request detail and click to the detail, validate the user detail. Yeah, valid user. Now the cloud accept that request means click accept request. Yeah, user request is accepted. Now the file is stored into the cloud server. Okay. Now the same user have to store 2 files. Okay. Now we can view the storage file detail. Okay, this is a 2 file that same user store as a one is core file and another one is public file. Now we can search the file detail means here we click file search. Now we search the core file means here we search by using file name. Okay, if you search public file means here we search using a drop door key. Okay, now first of all we search a core file. Core we search only for our storage file only. Okay, yeah, we enter the file name and search that file. Yeah, file is found. Click to OK. Now we should enter the public key and secret key detail. The keys are give as a during the file storage. Okay, we should enter the public key and secret key means it will show the decrypted file. Okay, we enter the detail and now we click to decrypt the file. Yeah, the file is decrypted successfully. Click to OK. This is a file of core file. Okay. Next we search public file means here we search only drop door keys. Okay. Now we search a drop door key like readme file. Search the file. The file is found. Send request to edge server. Yeah, request is sent to the edge server. Now we click to edge server means here we have 2 processes of edge server. Now we click to view the request detail means here we have a request detail. Okay, so edge server waiting for acceptance and this is a cloud server. This is also waiting for acceptance. Now we click to the detail, validate the user and accept that request. Now we send request to cloud server. Yeah, this is a cloud server. Now we click to view request detail mean. Here we visualize the detail of request user. Now we click to user detail and validate that user. Yeah, it's a valid user. Now, the user request is accepted means here we accept the request of the request. Okay, now we accept the request means user request is accepted and sent to decryption key to the user. Okay, and now we check that status means click check status. Yeah, your request is accepted. That's why the panel is opening here and click to get key button. Yeah, the keys are get from the cloud service provider and decrypt the file means click to decrypt the file. Yeah, your file is decrypted successfully. Click to OK. This is a readme file. Okay. Okay. This is a project. Okay.